In the third part, Imam Ali, points out the effects of poverty, saying it makes a clever person mute, preventing them from establishing arguments. A poor person faces a two-sided attack. Internally, they suffer from inferiority, which shakes their confidence, leaving their cleverness and intelligence ineffective. Their steps falter, and their ability to argue weakens. Externally, people aren't willing to listen to poor people, they're seeking closeness to the wealthy. If given a chance to get close to a rich person, they'll listen to the rich person's arguments, not the poor person's. Luqman Hakim advised his son, "I've tasted bitter colocynth and endured patience, but I haven't seen anything more bitter than poverty. If you face poverty, don't tell anyone, they'll reduce your value." The Prophet's uncle, Abbas, used to say, "People cling to the wealthy like rays to the sun." The wealthy are more delightful than sweet water, higher than the sky, sweeter than honey, purer than flowers. Their mistakes are considered right, their bad deeds are virtues, and their words are all acceptable. Their gatherings are elevated, and no one disputes their words. But people consider the poor more false than a mirage, heavier than glass, and unpleasant. If they pass by a poor person, they won't greet them. If the poor person is visible, they'll hit them, if not, they'll rejoice at their misfortune. If the poor person shows displeasure, they'll hit them harder. Touching them breaks people's wudu, and listening to their recitation invalidates their prayer. This is the sad story of the poor, told by the Prophet's uncle. That's why the Quran says, wealth and children are the adornment of worldly life. 1846, there's a poverty praised in traditions, which the Prophet, considered a pride for himself. The poverty the Prophet refers to as contentment in simple living, while the poverty Imam Ali speaks of is economic.